students, how are you all? I hope you all are going very good. Welcome to the new session of Science Class First, chapter number 6, that is about our body. Right? So, students, today we are going to learn about the different parts of the body and along with their uses. Right? Also, we are going to learn about our sense organs, right? That what are sense organ, how do they help us, how many types of sense organs are there, and also the uses of other body parts, right? Let's start the chapter. See, first of all, you have to look at the pictures given below and write the names of the parts of your body. So, यहाँ पे कुछ pictures given है. इन पिक्चर्स को देख के हमें इनके नेम्स यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. ये सारी पिक्चर्स हमारी बॉडी के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स की है. वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व देम, वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई देम एंड देन वी हैव टू राइट देयर नेम्स. So first of all, what is it? These are ears, right? So we'll write ear. Then this is what? This is hand. So we'll write over here H-A-N-D, hands. Next, this is eye, right? So we will write over here eye. Then this is what? These are fingers, right? So we'll write over here fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Next, it is nose. So we'll write over here N-O-S-E, nose. Then this is mouth. So we'll write over here M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Right? Okay. Now, our body has different part. Each part of our body has a different name and different function. As I told you कि हमारी body में different parts होते हैं. हमारी body के हर एक part का एक specific name है and एक different function होता है जो वो हमारी body के लिए perform करता है. So now they have given you the whole body of a human being and how this body helps a human being to do different tasks. We will learn about it. So now let's continue. So we have what? These different body organs which are shown in this picture over here. So now let's start with them. So first of all, this is what? This is head. ये हमारा head part है. These are eyes. These are ears. Okay. This is nose. This is the mouth. This is neck. This is chest. ये हमारे hands है. ये हमारा stomach है. These are fingers. This is knee. This is leg. This is foot. And these are what? Toes. So ये हमारे body के different parts है which they have labeled over here. Now see, we do many things with the help of our body parts. Can you name the body parts that we use for doing these activities? But they're saying कि जैसे कि हम अपने different body parts का use करके different activities perform करते हैं. So now they have given you some of these activities. You have to write the name of that body part which we use for doing these shown activities to you. Right? First of all, you can see here the boy is jumping. So boy jump करने के लिए अपने कौन से body part का use करेगा? That is his legs. Right? Then यहाँ पे girl क्या कर रही है? She is watching the television. So for that she is using her eyes. So we'll write over here eyes. Next here, the girl is writing something in his book or notebook. So for writing purpose, लिखने के लिए हम अपने hands का use करते हैं. So we'll write over here hands. And then again, the boy is eating. So खाना खाने के लिए what we use our mouth. So we'll write over here mouth. So like this, we have written the name of those body parts which we will use for doing these activities. See, we use our hands and fingers too. So हम अपने hands and fingers का use करते हैं for what purpose? To hold the things, चीज़ों को hold करने के लिए, to write, लिखने के लिए, to eat and work, खाने के लिए, work करने के लिए, and also to throw, चीज़ों को throw करने के लिए. देन अवर लेग्स हेल्प अस टू, हमारे लेग्स हेल्प करते हैं टू वॉक, आप वॉक करते हो अपने लेग्स के थ्रू, आप रन कर सकते हैं, यू प्ले विद योर लेग्स एंड ऑल्सो वी डांस ऑल्सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ अवर legs, right? Now, next what they have given you have to unscramble the names of these animals and you have to take help from the pictures. So, यहाँ पे pictures आपको given है and इन pictures का use करके आपको इन animals के names unscramble करने हैं. See, first of all, this is tiger. You can see this is tiger. So, we'll write over here Tiger, tiger. Next is what? This is MELCA. It should be what? Camel. This is camel. Na? So we'll write over here CAMEL, camel. Next, this is what? This is parrot. So PARROT, parrot. Next, we have what? Elephant. So यहाँ आप से unscramble करेंगे. The spelling will be elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant. Next, what is it? This is rabbit. So RABBIT, rabbit. And the last is sheep. SHEEP, sheep. Alright? Now, next, unscramble the letters to write the names below the picture. अब यहाँ पे आपको कुछ बॉडी पार्ट्स गिवन है आज आपको इन बॉडी पार्ट्स की पिक्चर्स को देखते हुए इनकी स्पेलिंग्स को अनस्क्रैम्बल करके करेक्ट स्पेलिंग सीखनी है. So you can see what is it? This is hand. So write over here HAND, hand. Next, this is eyes. So we'll write over here EYES, eyes. ये क्या है? These are leg. So LEG, leg. Next, what is it? This is nose. So NOSE, nose. Next, these are ears. So we'll write over here EARS, ears. And these are fingers. So we'll write over here FINGER, finger. Alright? So, like this you have to do. Next topic which we have is that is of sense organ. So basically students we have 5 sense organs in our body. कितने? Total 5 sense organs हमारी body में होते हैं. That is ears, eyes, tongue, nose and skin. Now what does these sense organ help us? So ये sense organ हमें help करते हैं to feel and sense the thing. चीज़ों को feel करने में, उन्हें sense करने में, जितनी भी हमारी surroundings पे present है, इन सभी के लिए हमारे sense organs help करते हैं. See, you can see these are what? Ears. So ears के through what we can do? We can hear. आप सुन पाते हो because of the ears. Second sense organ we have eyes. The eyes help us to see. Eyes के through हम देख पाते हैं. We are able to see. Then this is tongue. Tongue help us to taste. Tongue आपको taste करने में help करती है. Next is nose. Nose help us to smell. Nose हमें smell करने में helpful है. And then this is what? This is our skin. And skin help us to feel and touch. चीज़ों को feel करने में, touch करने में our skill help us. So like this, these are 5 sense organ along with their different functions. Now, Ananya is very happy. What they say, Ananya is a girl. She is very happy because her mother has prepared her favorite cake today. क्योंकि अनन्या की मदर ने उनके लिए क्या बनाया है? उनका favorite cake बनाया है. So look at the picture. अब आपको picture को देखना है and you have to tell that which sense organ help us to see the cake and find how tasty her favorite cake is. Also color the pictures. So इन pictures को देख के आपको बताना है कि अपने कौन से sense organ का use करके अनन्या इस केक को देख पा रही है and उसके अलावा कौन से sense organ का use करके अनन्या इस केक को taste करेगी. And also you have to color these 2 pictures. So for coloring, that is your work, you will do it, but I will tell you that by which sense organ she will see that cake. So as I told you कि हमारी eyes के through हम चीज़ों को देख पाते हैं. So for seeing that, she will use her eyes. Alright? And then for tasting, taste के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? हम tongue का. So we'll write over here that for tasting the cake, she will use her sense organ, that is tongue. All right. Now, let us recall the chapter. So as I told you, our body has different part. हमारी body में different part होते हैं. हर एक different body part का एक particular name है and एक particular function है. We use our hands and fingers. हम अपने hands and fingers का use करते हैं to write, eat, drink, throw and also for holding the things. Next, we use our legs and feet. हम अपने legs and feet का use करते हैं to walk, run, play and dance. Next, as I told you, how many? We have 5 sense organs in our body. Then, the eyes. Eyes क्या करती है? Eyes help us to see. Eyes के through हम देख पाते हैं. Ears. Ears help us to hear. Ears के through आप सुन पाते हो. And nose. Nose help us to smell. Nose के through हम smell कर पाते हैं. Alright? So that's all for the chapter. These were the different body organs with their functions and also the sense organs which are very important for us to detect and sense our surroundings. Alright? So now let's meet in the next session. Till then keep going well, learn well and thanks to all.